How to repost someone's video on TikTok. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to repost somebody's video on TikTok. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to my channel. Okay, so this is pretty simple and straightforward. So if you'd like to repost somebody else's video on TikTok, what you need to do is, of course, open up the TikTok app on your mobile device. Scroll through the TikTok app until you find a video that you'd like to repost. And then once you've found a video, at the bottom right hand corner, you can see the share button where it's got 159 people have shared this one. So if you just tap on that, it will then bring up the next menu option, and the one in the top right hand corner is repost. So if you tap on repost, and now that's reposted, and I have the option now to add a comment. So if I just tap on add a comment, I can add a comment about this repost if I'd like. And that's all it takes to repost someone's video on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.